The Sony Alpha A6400 mirrorless camera is a versatile and compact option that packs a punch for both photographers and videographers, making it one of the best mirrorless cameras for professionals looking for a balance of performance and portability. This camera features a 24.2 megapixel APS-C sensor, delivering high-resolution images with stunning detail and vibrant color. One of its standout features is the real-time eye autofocus, which ensures precise and fast focusing on your subject's eyes, a critical capability for portrait photography. The A6400 also excels in video production, offering 4K video recording with full pixel readout and no pixel binning, which results in sharp, high-quality footage. The inclusion of a flip screen makes it an excellent choice for vloggers and content creators, allowing for easy framing of shots from various angles. For professionals, the Sony Alpha A6400 provides a robust set of features in a lightweight and compact body, making it ideal for travel and on-the-go shooting. The camera is compatible with a wide range of E-mount lenses, providing flexibility in lens choices to suit different photography styles. Its fast autofocus system, combined with continuous shooting at up to 11 frames per second, ensures you can capture fast-moving subjects with ease. Although the A6400 may not have the full-frame sensor found in higher-end models, its performance, especially in low-light conditions, is impressive for an APS-C camera. The build quality is solid, and the camera is designed to withstand the demands of professional use. Overall, the Sony Alpha A6400 is a top choice for professionals seeking. The Canon EOS R50 mirrorless camera is an impressive choice for content creators and photographers alike, offering a blend of versatility and high performance that makes it a strong contender for the title of the best mirrorless camera for professionals. Equipped with a 24.2 megapixel CMOS APS-C sensor, this camera captures sharp, vibrant images with excellent detail, making it ideal for various shooting scenarios, from portraits to landscapes. The inclusion of both the RF S18 45mm f4.5 6.3 is STM, and RF S55 210 f5 to 7.1 is STM lenses in the kit provides a comprehensive focal range, giving photographers the flexibility to shoot wide-angle scenes as well as distant subjects with ease. Designed with content creators in mind, the Canon EOS R50 excels in video production, offering 4K video recording with precise autofocus and smooth tracking, making it perfect for vlogging and other video content. The camera's RF mount supports a growing range of RF lenses, allowing professionals to expand their creative toolkit with Canon's high-quality optics. The lightweight and compact design of the EOS R50 makes it highly portable, an essential feature for professionals who need to shoot on the move. Its user-friendly interface and intuitive controls ensure that even those new to the Canon ecosystem can quickly adapt and start capturing stunning content. For professionals, the Canon EOS R50 offers a well-rounded package that balances performance, versatility, and ease of use. While it may not have some of the advanced features found in higher-end models, such as in-body image stabilization or weather sealing, it delivers reliable performance that meets the demands of professional photography and videography. Whether you're a seasoned photographer or a content creator looking to elevate your work, the Canon EOS R50 provides the tools you need to produce high-quality content, making it The Panasonic Lumix G7KS 4K mirrorless camera is a powerful yet affordable option for photographers and videographers, making it a solid choice for those seeking the best mirrorless camera for professionals. This camera features a 16-megapixel digital live MOS sensor, which, although lower in resolution compared to some competitors, still delivers high-quality images with impressive detail and color accuracy. What truly sets the Lumix G7KS apart is its 4K video recording capability, allowing you to capture ultra-high-definition footage with exceptional clarity. This makes it particularly appealing for content creators and filmmakers, who need a reliable camera for both stills and video. The Lumix G7KS comes with a versatile 14-42mm lens kit, covering a wide range of focal lengths suitable for various shooting scenarios, from wide-angle landscapes to portraits. The camera's fast and accurate autofocus system, combined with a burst shooting mode of up to 8 frames per second, ensures you can capture fast-moving subjects with ease. The inclusion of Panasonic's depth from defocus (DFD) technology further enhances focus speed and accuracy, making it a reliable tool in dynamic shooting environments. For professionals, the Panasonic Lumix G7KS offers a blend of advanced features in a compact and lightweight body, making it ideal for on-the-go photography and videography. Its intuitive controls and fully articulating touchscreen make it easy to compose shots from various angles, which is particularly useful for vloggers and content creators. While it may not have some of the more advanced features found in higher-end models, such as weather sealing or in-body image stabilization, the Lumix G7KS provides a robust performance that meets the needs of most professional applications. Overall, it stands out as a strong contender for the best. The Canon EOS R100 mirrorless camera, with the RF-S18 45mm f4.5 6.3, is STM lens. Kit is an excellent entry-level option for those looking to step into professional photography without breaking the bank. Featuring a 24.1 megapixel CMOS APS-C sensor, this camera offers stunning image quality, making it ideal for capturing detailed shots in various lighting conditions. The RF mount allows for compatibility with a wide range of Canon lenses, giving photographers the flexibility to explore different styles and techniques. Additionally, the R100's ability to shoot 4K video ensures that your content will have the crisp, cinematic quality that modern professionals demand. For those seeking the best mirrorless camera for professionals, the Canon EOS R100 offers a robust set of features in a compact, user-friendly design. The included RF-S18 45mm f4.5 6.3 STM lens is versatile enough for everyday shooting, whether you're capturing landscapes, portraits, or action shots. While it may not have the advanced features found in higher-end models, such as in-body image stabilization or ultra-fast autofocus, it delivers reliable performance for most professional tasks. The lightweight and portable design make it easy to carry around, perfect for on-the-go photography sessions. Overall, the Canon EOS R100 is a solid choice for professionals seeking an affordable, high-quality mirrorless camera that can meet their creative needs. The Canon EOS R5 mirrorless camera is a powerhouse in the realm of professional photography and videography, making it a top contender for those seeking the best mirrorless camera for professionals. With a stunning 45-megapixel full-frame CMOS sensor, this camera delivers exceptional image quality, capturing even the finest details with remarkable clarity. The Digic X image processor enhances performance, allowing for rapid processing speeds and superior low-light capabilities. One of the standout features of the EOS R5 is its ability to record 8K video, providing filmmakers with the ultimate tool for creating high-resolution, cinematic content. Whether you're shooting landscapes, portraits, or fast-moving subjects, the R5's capability to shoot up to 12 frames per second ensures that you never miss a crucial moment. For professionals, the Canon EOS R5 offers unparalleled versatility and performance. The RF mount opens up a world of possibilities with Canon's expanding range of RF lenses, allowing photographers to achieve their creative vision with precision. The camera's robust build quality and weather sealing ensure it can withstand the rigors of professional use, making it reliable for on-location shoots in challenging conditions. Additionally, the advanced autofocus system with eye and face detection ensures sharp focus on subjects, even in complex scenarios. While the R5 is an investment, its cutting-edge features and superior image quality make it a worthwhile choice for professionals who demand the best from their equipment. Overall, the Canon EOS R5 stands out as one of the best mirrorless cameras for professionals, offering